Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Time for another unboxing of the latest Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. So this is the July 2025 Crafty Crew Kit and I'm excited to tear into it and see what's inside. Let's take a peek together. And I love how they package this. It comes in this nice craft color tissue paper, which I will save in case I want it for a project. And then you always get this nice little thank you card thanking you for your purchase. And the goodies always come inside this wonderful mesh bag. It's a mesh zipper bag that's perfectly sized to hold your Crafty Crew Kit. But let's take out all the goodies, see what we have in store. Okay, this is the bag, guys. I just want you to see it. And it measures about 9 wide by 6 and 7. So 9 by 7 more or less, approximately. And of course, here it says, this package is happy to see you. And I like that they added this now. So there's a little QR code on here that you can scan for some inspiration on using the July 2025 Crafty Crew Kit. As usual, our paper. Oh, love our paper. Comes in this wonderful pocket. It's like a plastic little pocket. And it has like these reinforced seams here. So it's quite durable. And it fits a full pack of pattern paper. So let's take a peek at our pattern paper, because that is my favorite part. Oh, and let me show you. It actually does fit in here, guys. Just want to show you very easily. And so this is the Going Camping 6x6 paper pad. You get 4 each of 12 designs, so you get 24 double-sided cardstock. All right, let's take a peek at our designs. I haven't seen this, so we're looking at this together. Oh, look how neat these patterns are. So you have your little campfire and tree and tent. Nice. Oh, a nice green plaid. I like that. Very nice. And then some more trees here with the moon and stars. And then the reverse is a green with white polka dots. And so you can see how well they coordinate together. I mean, all the papers coordinate perfectly together in all their paper pads. And then this one, you have your backpack, your sleeping bag, your little campfire, moon, stars, tree. And then the reverse is, oh, I like this. It's nice little zigzag in blue. Again, coordinates really nice. Then we have this red plaid on this side. And on the reverse, oh, look at that. Look how well they coordinate, guys. Just look at that. That's beautiful. We have some ideas rolling around in my head. So this pattern paper, you have a little flashlight, a little axe, backpack, sleeping bag, a lot of camping images. And then this one, some more camping images. And so your backpack, some florals, a little lantern. And then your reverse side, you have, oh, I like this, some trees, grass, these little signs. Very nice. And then, let's see, our last set of patterns. Here we have our little hot dog on a stick there. You're cooking your hot dog over your campfire. Kind of cute there. And this pretty yellow. Oh, look at that. Look. See how well they go together? So those are our pattern papers. And then our stencil, we get this beautiful 6x6 stencil. And this one is Night Sky. Very nice. A lot of stars and polka dots. Let's take a look. And you know what? They also have great ideas on the back of their packaging. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. So it shows you some ideas for using your stencils. So ink blending with blending brushes or sponges, dry embossing with a rubber mat and die cut machine, spraying water or colored stain, adding glue for a beautiful glitter effect, applying different glazes and mixed media paste for texture and depth, decorating clothes, cookies, or cakes. Ooh, I hadn't even thought about that. It would be great for decorating some cookies. And then it tells you there's a couple ways to clean it. You can use non-alcoholic baby wipes, or you can rinse with warm water, and that's pretty easy to do. And so here's the stencil. Look at nice stars and dots throughout the whole thing. I like that for a nice night sky background. And then we get this pack of embellishments, guys. Let's take a peek here. What's in here? Oh, so cute. Look, you have some little, these look to be like little marshmallows. You have a little campfire clay bit in here, clay bits plus sequins. What else do we have? So many fun goodies. What is this? Oh my goodness, look at this. So cute. So this would be perfect to embellish your card or to make a nice fun shaker card. All right, see if I can get these all back in here. And then we have your 2 4x6 stamp sets. So our first stamp set here, this one is Campin' Meadow. I always forget to take it out of the packaging so you can see it without the glare. So there she is, look at that. So pretty. And so you have, let's see, this says, let's wander where the Wi-Fi won't go. I love you s'more. Stars make the best nightlights. I like this one. Let's wander where the Wi-Fi won't go. It's a good one to put on a card for my grandkids. And then you have this beautiful Campin' Meadow image there. Sleeping bag, backpack, a little lantern, a little teapot, flashlight, your marshmallow on a stick, and your little hot cocoa mug. Oh, plus the marshmallows over here. So cute. And you also get, when you buy the Crafty Crew Kit, SVG files to cut these out so that you can have some nice cut lines around your images, because you don't get dies with these, but you get those SVG files, which are perfect for cutting your stamped images. Okay, so this one is called Campfire Critters. Let's take a peeky peek. So cute. And let's see, this says, what happens around the campfire gets laughed at all year. That's cute. And then this one, s'more campers means s'more fun. I like these little camping themed stamp sets. They're very cute. And then you have some critters here, 5 different little critters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 if you count the little bear inside the tent. And then you have your campfire there, and your sign sending you to where camping grounds are. So those are really cute. I love them. I'm excited to make some cards using these. My first inclination is to use our little Craftin' Meadow. I just love coloring up all the little meadow images that they have in their Crafty Crew kits. She's so cute. So I think that's what I'll use first, as well as some of the pattern paper. But we'll see. I'll get that video up soon. So let's see. Let's take a peek at our July 2025 Crafty Crew Kit. So here's our mesh bag right there. And then here is our stencil, our pattern paper, our 2 stamp sets, and don't forget these have SVG files you can use to cut them out, and then our little container full of embellishments. So very cute. Now, the pre-order period for the July 2025 Crafty Crew Kit is from June 1st through June 15th. After June 15th, you will not be able to order this kit. It will no longer be available. So I'll be sure to put a link in the description box below so that you can keep an eye out and place your order for your Crafty Crew Kit. And I would suggest subscribing so that you just get these every 2 months, because that's when they come out. They get a Crafty Crew Kit every 2 months. So this is the July one. The next one would be September. Also, in case I forget to mention, I always forget to mention, when you subscribe, you get a discount on your Crafty Crew Kit. So that's a nice benefit. And Crafty Stamp Co. their papers, their stencils, all their goodies are really high quality. Their polymer stamps are perfection, and I just like the way they all coordinate together. So when they make these kits, they do a good job of making them all coordinate, so you have a wonderful little kit to play with and you can make lots of fun projects. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.